Welcome to Clover Wheels channel, where everything is about small and big cars. Here you will see life of simple car enthusiast, with different reviews, restoration projects and useful tips and tricks. These videos are made using professional voice acting and best video making techniques. Hope that you will have great time watching our channel and learn something useful. But most important, hope you will find motivation to finally start a new project, or complete your old one. But now, let's start from introduction. This story begins in December 1993, when in small Eastern European country called Latvia, a new car enthusiast was born. It was right time and place as two different automotive worlds have blended together. From one side, mechanically simpler but outdated Soviet vehicles. From other side, more comfortable and attractive, but more complicated Western world vehicles. There also was some kind of culture and fashion mix in former USSR countries during 90s due to large import of used things from Western Europe that were made in 70s and 80s. Being as a 90s boy, favorite toys were Italian-made Barago and Soviet-made die-cast car models. A lot of these cars were destroyed during childhood years, but suddenly there came understanding that it's better to play with care rather than doing crash tests. That moment was a beginning of collection of die-cast vehicles. But as boy grew up, his cars have grown up too. And now we have to do real things to keep them moving and preserving for future.